You mentioned I should work on some of my other projects. So this is what I've been working on. I've been having some issues with cold start on this thing. Let's see if I get it to work. Sounds pretty reasonable, eh? I'm thinking it looks a bit better than what it did. So I've now identified all the wiring, identified where it needed to go, secured some of these harnesses. Some of the stuff you already done I've just left as it was and tidied it up a little bit. This one we need to work on. These LEDs, I didn't know what you were doing with these, so they didn't go anywhere, so I just snipped the ends of them off so we can work that out in the future. But I believe it's a bit tidier. Let's see if we put another image over the top or beside it so we can see. You're concerned that you lost the key for the door lock. This is the ignition key. Stick it in there. Turns that way. Locks the door. So you hadn't lost the key, mate. Turn this way. She opens. Only one, it doesn't fit the boot, so we can deal with that in the future. But yeah, you hadn't lost the key because the key is the ignition key. It's one of my other projects I've been working on. So we have another step forward. That's what we need to achieve. I was also able to get the rear plate on for you. Interesting thing, wasn't she built in '64?